top. Sometimes I solve it on the left. The left is a little more difficult because I'm right-handed. Right is a little more difficult. It's just on the top is the easiest for me. Okay, the next step is to solve the corners. But the special thing about the corners is, again, they match the diagonal centers on each side. There and there. So, and then you'll have one solved face. Now, to do that, we'll take the cross and we'll turn it upside down and put it on the bottom. And then after you do that, there are 6 different cases. 7 different cases if you want to include a solved one. But this one, when it's in a slot and it's on the left. This one, when it's in a slot and it's on the right. This one, when it's in the wrong slot and the white is on the bottom. This one, when it's in the top layer and it's on the left. This one, when it's on the top layer and it's on the top. And this one, when it's on the top layer and it's on the right. I'll go through each of those right now. Okay. So these are the most basic cases. The two when it's on the left and it's on the right and the top layer. Those are the most simple cases. So when it's on the right, you hold the top, and then you turn the bottom 2 layers until, remember it's here, until the top right one matches the center. Like that. So you move this corner away from you and bring this edge up at the same time. Connect, restore this edge. Okay. Now, let's say it's on the right. Or excuse me, on the left. Okay. Then you put it on your left, and then you hold the top layer and turn the bottom 2 until it matches diagonally, but it's on the top left corner instead of on the top right like the other one was. So, to do this, we do basically the same thing except it's mirrored to the left. You turn the left side away from you to bring this edge up, still over here. Okay. Away from you. Connect the whites. Restore this edge. Now, the most evil of all cases, if it's on the top. Evil. No matter what method you use, it's evil if it's on the top. So, when it's on the top, you pretend that you're putting it in there like you normally would, right? Except when you do this move, turn it twice so that it's on the side, and then restore this. So now it's on the side, and then you just do like you did with the basic case. Turn the bottom 2 until they match. Move this corner away. Move this, connect, restore. Now this one. No, not that one. This one. If it's on the left, if it's in a slot and it's on the left, you want to bring this up, and then put this in the back right, and then bring this down. Now, it's the basic case where it's on the left side, match diagonally, away, connect, restore. Now, if it's on the right, you bring it up, to the right, and restore. Excuse me, up, to the left, and restore. Now you've got a basic case. Now it's on the right, basic case, turn the bottom 2 until you match diagonally. Away, connect, restore. Now, let's say it's in the wrong slot. You just pull it out of that slot. And now you've got a basic case, and you can put it in there just like you did with the other one. Now this one, it's on the top, pretend you're putting it in normally, except you turn it twice, and then restore your edge. Basic case, and put that in there. That's the corners. Now the next step is first two layers, and that will be discussed in the next video.